Today I'm making bread with my grandma on the roof. And if you're not Moroccan, I think this will give you a hint on how bread is made at home, a little bit of traditions, a little bit of culture behind it. And if you're Moroccan, I bet you'll reminisce over the good old days where someone made you bread at home every day and it was served hot at the lunch table. All in all, I'm very curious if this is the type of videos that you enjoy watching, or I should stick to more of the cook-along, clear recipe videos. Let me know in the comment section. Also, be very interesting. It would be lovely if you can share some stories of you cooking with your parents, with your grandparents. Other than that, let's cook.
Start with 600 grams of a mix of all-purpose flour and whole wheat flour. Sift it to ensure a smooth blend. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast and 2 teaspoons of salt, keeping them on opposite sides to avoid killing the yeast. Gradually incorporate 360 ml of water into the mixture. All while enduring your grandma's sweet but passive-aggressive guidance.
عندك الماكينة واش غادي
وهذه الماكينة وكذا خاصك تعرف الآخر دير بيدك.
هات دابا بديتي كيفاش تلون صافي حيدي شدوا الصوارة تتكلك العجينة وتلويها سمعتي؟
وخلينا نعجلو انت قولي لي الآخر واش شحال كتعجن انت كتولي طردكش
تولي تطردك واش كدير لها
In all honesty, Grandma did not want me to knead the dough myself because I'm a man, and men do not make bread. You can make a tagine, you can put together some gamila, but not make bread. And unfortunately, it is a dying tradition. So if you get a son or a grandson, pass it on. Don't let it stop. After mixing, use a bit of oil to form the dough ball. Then let it rest for 10 minutes covered. Lightly dust a wooden board called tawa with semolina.
Just balance this back slowly. That means it's ready.
Divide the dough into 4 small balls. Cover and let them rest for another 10 minutes. Then flatten each ball into a round shape, about 2 centimeters thick, and allow them to proof until they double in size. Another Moroccan signature move, brand your bread with 2 to 3 fork stabs, which makes your bread much more recognizable when you go pick it up from the public wood oven. Which is unfortunately another dying tradition. Grandma now cooks her bread at home because the local farran has closed and there are fewer and fewer every day. So as much as I tried to get you a recipe out of this chaos, Moroccan bread does not really follow a recipe. Every house has its own signature touch. Some people like it salty, others not. Some people like full wheat, others like it white and fluffy. Yet, I can always recognize my grandma's khobz, and I think it's the best. So even when sometimes you pick up the wrong bread at the local farran, you know this is not ours.
How you feeling?
Sobrang
You were working and ups too much.
para out okay? Para
My grandma's like, yeah, you are sweating.
Too hot for bread, that's something.
Yes, it's too hot for body.
Thank you for watching until the end. I'm genuinely curious if you also think it's a dying tradition. Other than that, I do have videos where you can make bread yourself at home. And until then, take care.